morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, whatever it is, wherever you are. Welcome back to another video. We are at the famous BIMMER Invasion of Orlando. We got here pretty early, but Ben got here even earlier. Ben was here at like, I think 4:30 in the morning getting cars prepared for the event since he's working the event. So as usual, you guys got me today. I'm sure Ben is probably gonna chime in here and there, you know, when we can get some time. So even though we got here pretty early, people still got here before we did. But now, I guess it's, what time is it? About 9 o'clock or whatever. So cars are definitely starting to fill in now. We kind of want to see what the sun is gonna do because there's like a really high chance of rain too. It's been kind of like drizzling a little bit, but the cars here are absolutely amazing. They're beautiful, they're clean. Everybody stepped it up even more this year. We got people running around in just some of the nicest stuff. And we have people that came in from New Jersey, New York, Virginia, all over the East Coast. And I think we even had people that came in from California too. So it's pretty dope. BMW community has also always been amazing. Morning, man. I'm hungry. Ladies hungry. We're gonna grab something to eat. So I'm gonna try something new. Enjoy this GoPro footage of me flying through all these cars while we go to McDonald's to grab something to eat. Enjoy. So a little status update. We got breakfast, some McDonald's. It wasn't too bad. On our way back, it started raining a little bit more. I hope you guys like that little POV scooter ride that we kind of did. I tried to get as many of the cars that were coming in as I possibly could. So hopefully that kind of came out nice, and hopefully you guys like that too. I know I got that one drop of rain, man, that tried to ruin the clip, but we'll see. Talk to Ben. We're gonna find Ben a little bit. They got him disconnecting all the batteries that are and the main part of the show. So he's been really busy this whole morning. But yeah, it's just raining too much. So I decided to leave the Sony camera, our main camera, inside my car. That way it doesn't get rained on or whatever. And so I'm just going to use my phone now for probably a couple more clips. Maybe the remainder of the video, but not sure. It just depends on how this rain goes through. But we're going to walk through and show you guys some of the cars that are on the inside. See what other guys that ended up showing up and see what other people we got here too. So stay tuned. So status update, they just had an unveiling of the Voigtsteiner M2, which I threw in like a little bit of a clip there so you guys can see that. It was all right. I think it was pretty cool. Got our Moto Gear TV guys right there coming in. Team Moto Gear. Favorite car so far?
I'm still stuck on the G87 that's purple outside in the PSI booth.
Oh, yeah. There's a clip there, but I'll import that clip here too. But we're just walking around and see what other cars they got there. I'm going to try and get this video uploaded as quickly as I possibly can for obvious reasons. But for you guys, I want you guys to go ahead and drop a like down below, comment and subscribe if you can. And let's see what other clips that we can get. Let's see what other cars that they got here. So I gotta talk quick because the music in the background, but this is probably one of my favorite M's here. I think his Instagram is like slow M3 or something like that, but this car right here is honestly kind of what I aspire for my build to be like. It's super tough, man. Super tough. Carbon trunk, got the wing in the back. From Georgia, man, like, bro, you got it, bro. You got it. So as you can see, it's raining outside. So if the majority of the clips end up being inside of the building, you know exactly why. They did a couple unveils. I guess we can go and take a look at some of the booths. We're gonna go take a look at some of the booths. Lady wants to go take a look at some of the booths. So, but yeah, I'm not trying to get too soaked because we don't have an umbrella.
There it is.
Oh, this right here. That's the M2 that she was saying that she had liked earlier. I completely agree. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Definitely one of my favorite cars here as well. But yeah, let's go take a look at some of the booths and spend my last couple of minutes outside in the rain before I stay my ass inside for the remainder of the day. All right, so for all you guys wondering where Benny has been, he hasn't been ducking anybody. He's been right here working, doing his job. So
helping the videos.
So comment down below, get Ben a bigger umbrella if you made it this far.
That's hilarious.
We got Towson's here too. We got Kyle over there, skirt. And one more time, what was your IG, TikTok?
G84 on IG
At the
and
races,
TikTok
they have
on
umbrella girls.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
All right.
What's up, bud? You good?
All right, guys, so I filmed a lot of stuff, but as tired as I am, I'm not as tired as Ben right here. Ben has been working all day, tirelessly. What do you think about the event? Obviously, I know that you've been bouncing around all over the place. Is there like a favorite car that you have here that you've seen?
Yeah, I mean, I've definitely seen a lot of cars. I've been here since 4 o'clock in the morning before anybody else was up or even here. my job today was to disconnect all the batteries inside the building, which I did successfully. It took a little while because people were not standing by their cars and waiting for me to arrive.
Yeah.
But we eventually got them all disconnected, so that went very well. Other than that, to answer your question, my favorite car would definitely have to be the Vorsteiner, M2.
Yeah, that was pretty
build
nice.
did look very good in my opinion.
Yeah.
I like the body design, the trunk design, and also the hood.
Yeah.
IND's was pretty good as well. I'm not gonna lie, but IND it's IND. So
Yeah.
at that point,
Yeah.
I won't say there's no competition, but it's IND. So
Yikes. Okay, yeah, I mean, I think my favorite, there's a E92 M3 in there. It was slow M3. It
yeah,
was like a dark gray one, supercharged. Yeah, but that was pretty tough.
I talked to him on the way out. I met him outside. He's got a nice build, definitely.
Yeah. Well, when I had pulled in, he had pulled in next to me, and I was like, man, you got it, bro.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Too fun.
But hope you guys like the cinematics that we filmed. I hope you guys like this style of video. I know it was kind of all over the place. There was just a lot of stuff going on, and then the rain kind of threw a wrench in our plans a little bit too. This right here, do you want to kind of fill in a little bit as to why we're standing here?
Yeah, so this is the giveaway car from BIMMER Invasion. This is their first giveaway car that they're doing. Essentially, you just want to purchase any of the merchandise. So a t-shirt that I'm wearing, a hat, a hoodie. And I believe the entry ends the 26th. But they've completely kitted out this car. Gion USA came down and detailed the entire vehicle. Even Turi is a part of it. There's a bunch of other sponsors. This car is fully modded out to the T all the way through. So whoever ends up winning this car is definitely going to be a lucky individual.
Yeah.
And watch it be somebody who paid
You see
20
how many
bucks for a
miles on
t-shirt.
it?
Yeah, it's got pretty low miles. They sourced this one from not a private dealer, but a more exclusive dealer. So it is very nice in that aspect.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm your biggest fan.
You got F80 Ho on the channel as well. There he is.
Clown out of
Right
here.
there. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. As you see, multiple people are walking in front of the camera at this point. They have no sense of awareness. So,
Yeah, that's how you know how tired he is.
exactly. But yeah, it's going to wrap it up for me.
Yeah.
And Jamal. This year was a very, very, very big turnout. Every year, the turnout just gets better and better as more airheads walk in front of us.
Yeah.
So, you're good. Anyways, yeah, it was a great turnout this year, guys. Look forward to the next one. It's more than likely not going to be here in Orlando, Florida. It's going to be probably somewhere down south or more further up north.
Wow.
But Invasion of Los Angeles is in 6 months.
Yeah.
So anybody who's watching this, if you show up, I'll see you there.
Fair enough. Well, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Like Ben already said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to wrap it up for sure. And we'll see you guys in the next one. BIMMER Invasion 2024.
Peace.